right, so this is the Roush Stage 1 S197 Mustang. It's a 2012 in race red. And this belongs to my good friend Billy. He's gonna give us some backdrop on the Roush Stage 1 package, what it came with, and then some added goodies that the previous owner put on here. So Billy, why don't you come on in here, tell us about your beautiful Roush 1.
Hey, how are you? Yeah, so 2012 Roush Stage 1 package. A little bit of history behind it. So this car came from Alabama. The original purchase of the car was down there. It lived there for its whole life, so it didn't see any salt on the roads or anything. Really clean chassis. Years later, it got shipped up northeast. I'm the second owner of it, and from that point, it was just, you know, kind of how you see it. The car came from the original owner who shipped it to Roush, put the Stage 1 package on, and it's got everything cosmetic really going on. The front grille, the headlights, the fascia, the rims, which they look black, but if you get up close to them, you'll see there's a little bit of chrome coming through.
They're just plasti dipped, right?
Yeah, the previous owner, he plasti dipped them black, which when I went to buy it, you couldn't really tell that in the photos, but once you get up close, it's definitely noticeable about, you know, on some like the edge work. So again, going down the line of the car, it's got the badging up front, badges here, by the rocker panels, this kind of strip here.
It's light inside as well, I noticed.
It's all inside is lighted. It's got the tint. My father-in-law helped me with this 3D printed little
the little antenna piece.
Like,
and you got the Roush
snub
written across the front, which is pretty cool. It's always nice to have the badging everywhere.
They put a Roush exhaust on there. 6-piston brakes, all 4 corners, drilled rotors, and I think racing suspension. So it's just, again, a Stage 1. But so when the original owner had the car, he actually took it back, from what I understand from Roush when I called them, but he took the car back and he installed the supercharger himself, which those only come on the Stage 2 or 3. And that's how I have the car set up now. It's nothing else, you know, added to it. It's the only thing that I've done is just different taillights, kind of to match like the 2013 and 2014 look. So that's the car, how it's set.
It's a beautiful car, man. I know you've wanted this car for many, many years. We've talked about it for years, and he's like, at some point I'm gonna get a race red 2012 Mustang, and he lucked out and got a Roush, because it was up for sale on like Car Gurus or something like that.
It was one of 4 cars in the country at the time.
Yeah.
They were all over the country, all low miles. This had, I think, maybe second lowest miles, but
how many miles were on it when you bought it? Like 9?
10,850, I think.
Okay.
Something like that.
Yeah.
I think right now it's got 11,800 roughly. So in a year, again, it's just a Sunday driver in the nice months. So in a year, or half a year, I put 1,000 miles on it. This is my dream car. So got this back, you know, last summer. And I fell in love with the 2012s and the 2011 body style, even the 2010s years ago when I was maybe, I don't even know, what would that date me back to, 12 years old?
Yeah, it's been a long time.
But yeah, ever since then, I had posters and everything, and finally got one. So
awesome.
Yeah.
Well, let's take it out. Let's hear it roar, and let's cruise.
All right, let's let it rip.
Let's do it.